In your course syllabus, you have to break down how the credit hours divide into different types of working hours. So for instance, in this class, the course is divided into 15 lecture hours and 46 lab hours. So in order to find how this course is broken down, what you need to do is go into morgancc.edu, programs and classes, and academic catalogs. If the website has changed since this video, make sure to just look for the most recent academic catalog. When you get there, choose the most recent version. And then what you're going to do is scroll down to the section that says course descriptions. In the course description section, you want to look for this particular course that you are making a syllabus for. So we're going to go MGD and then choose MGD 141. When we finally get there, it'll show you this is broken down into 15 lecture hours and 46 lab hours. So if you're interested in learning what contact hours are, make sure to talk to your mentor teacher or the Office of Instruction. And if you feel like this is an error, like you're looking at Web Design 1 and you think it should be all lab hours and no lecture, or it should be all lecture and no lab, or you think there's some kind of other component like internship hours or clinical hours, there's a lot of different types of hours. So if you're seeing something here that just doesn't seem right, make sure you talk to, again, your mentor or the Office of Instruction or the chair of the curriculum committee who can help you figure out what you need to do from there.